go to the table.
Very good. Eating habits of morning,
Like that. Huh?
How do you know?
Yes, so here is my birthday cake.
Oh,
Wow.
So someone has a friend of mine, and this is a surprise. And you
Beautiful
can see
cake, ma'am.
run, Lajawab, meditation, all she has put my hobbies and interests.
Wow, super.
Very
nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Ma'am is so
So-
tempting. We all want.
Of course, of course. I
Wine,
wish we
wine?
could. Wine we'll have.
Yeah, I like the wine bottle as
For
well.
you. This for you. Oh, Prahlad is here. And this has been sent to me by Suresh and Pinky. Thank you so much. Oh, it's lovely. Thank you so much. I'm seeing more friends joining. Vijay is there, Jacob, Prahlad. Thank you so much. Abhinandan also, I think. Shall we cut the cake?
yes, yes.
Please.
Although I don't feel like destroying
We
this.
sounds good to me. Huh? Shall we cut the cake?
Yes, we.
Yeah, so we are going to sing for you. Happy birthday to
Birthday
you.
to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
to
to
you.
you.
Happy birthday.
Happy
dear
birthday,
Kabir.
dear Anamika.
Anamika.
Happy birthday
to
to you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I never had such a big party across the whole world. Thank you so much. No, you will.
Wow, the cake looks absolutely yummylicious.
Yes, it is.
So you
I
can
will only
show
have
us
a
having
little-
cake, like, so we will feel the taste here.
No. I can't be so mean to you all. Thank you so much. It's yummy. I can just tell you that. We'll go back to our seat. And
Okay, so-
we will continue from there.
All the writers, how many writers have joined in from your anthology?
Few.
We have Hema,
There are
Padma,
5
Shweta,
people here.
Shuli, Baduli.
So there are at least 22 to 23 writers.
Okay, so 5 have come in, and all 5 are females.
Yeah, you got time on our hands.
No, we have quite a few males representing us also. I'm so glad to see Vijay. Vijay is in the hospital right now, but he is there to support us. Thank you so much, Vijay.
God.
He's there for supporting his family.
Mhm.
Abhinandan, Prahlad, they're all there.
So here is a small gift
Happy
for you,
birthday.
Anamika. Yeah, Abhinandan, you speak.
No. I was just wishing ma'am a very happy
Thank
birthday.
you, Abhi. Thank you, Abhi. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Anamika, ma'am.
Thank you, Bindya. Thank you so much. More people are joining.
birthday, Anamika.
Thank you. Thank you, Baduli.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday,
Thank
Anamika.
you, Monisha. Thank you so much.
Looking lovely. The nice combination, green and blue.
Thank you. Anything goes these days. So I'm trying that.
This is looking really
Shilpa
nice.
is, Shilpa, my daughter-in-law, is here, who's a graphic designer.
Okay.
She's
Mhm.
supporting me in whatever
Hi.
I do. So
See, you've done a wonderful job.
Thank you very much.
I guess
Thank
she's
God
a
the
young
butterfly
right
did not
now.
flutter away somewhere, like, it's still there.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I have a small gift for you, Anamika, and all the writers also. Can you see this?
So nice.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, that looks good.
Wow, super.
How many of you can see this?
I can't.
Yeah,
Wait.
we can.
Yes, Sheetal.
Visible to all?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
We
Yes,
are
yes.
going to release this And since our guest of honor is Mansi, you just show that you are, doing this.
Yes.
And I will be doing this for you.
See, you are acting.
Yeah. She's opening the ribbon.
Thank you
And
so much.
here we declare the book released.
Wow.
Lovely. The cover is really
Congratulations,
beautiful.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful,
So the
beautiful.
cover
Very nice.
has been designed by Shilpa.
Great job, Shilpa.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
I think it's beautiful, and the
This is
colors
her
are
first book as an editor, and now this is a coincidence that she could complete it before her birthday.
thanks to the team. They always were there. They never dilly-dallied. That's why.
Congratulations to you, Anamika, and all the writers. Wonderful work done by you.
Thank you so much.
Anamika, just share your thoughts.
Before that, I will ask Mansi to say a few words. She has been very kind to write a few words for us. So, Mansi, your thoughts.
Okay, thank you. First of all, congratulations, Anamika, on the launch of your book as an editor on such a wonderful
Thank you.
day. So
Yes.
happy birthday once again. What a wonderful way to celebrate your birthday.
Thank you so much.
Yes, 3 cheers for you, first of all.
Thank you.
And secondly, Shilpa, what a lovely, beautiful cover. It looks gorgeous. And
Thank you.
It's really beautiful. Looks lovely.
Thank you. I appreciate
And Meena, nice to meet you. I've heard about you through Anamika, and I've read about you when I was reading the book and writing the foreword. So really interesting how you have done this, and very, very good. So congratulations to you as well.
Thank you so
Great
much.
effort. And all you lovely writers, what can I say? I read quite a few of the stories, and I must say that they were, what shall I say, inspiring, beautiful, heartwarming, and it was really nice the way this whole thing has been compiled, this book. So Lucky, I'm not going to take much time right now because this is your day. You guys have to speak. So all I'm going to say is thank you for making me a part of your book, and all the best.
Thank you.
And all of
Thank you so much, Mansi. And at a very short notice, with very little time, she's working, hard for against this hunger and starvation epidemic which is going on. And she's been running around to different villages and all that kind of thing. And still, she found the time to read the book first, and then read everybody's contributions and write the introduction. So now
I have to say one thing, that when Lucky asked me to do it, I had to do it because she knows I love her, so had to do it for her.
So nice.
So glad. Thank you so much.
My honor.
I'll just say a few words now. It's the culmination of all our work for the last few months, and I really like that everyone stuck to the timelines, and whether it was filling out forms, whether it was submitting their work or proofreading, everybody did it on time. So as a team, we could finish the project on time. And for that, Meena has appreciated our work. So I'm very thankful and grateful. When I visualized this concept and I was discussing with Meena, she immediately said, go for it. And when I put out the concept to everyone, it was heartening to see so many people coming on board to join this project. Right from day one, we've had people pouring out their emotions, their feelings. Some of them are first time being published for the first time, and they've done an amazing job. And some have written poems, some have written short stories, anecdotes. And if you read, each one of them inspires you. And that was that was in keeping with the idea that I had, that people who read this will feel motivated and inspired in some way and carry that positive feeling with them as a result. So I think that has come through, and I'm really grateful for that. I love the cover. After discussing with Shilpa, I just said, Shilpa, this is what I'm doing. Would you like to do the cover for me? She said, of course, without even batting an eyelid. She said, yes. And she's a very busy person. She is doing a lot of freelance work, and she is also faculty at Toronto Film School. She has to check papers and all that stuff, but she found the time and she did such a wonderful job. So thank you so much, Shilpa. And I'm so glad that all of you are here today. Thank you, Meena.
Okay.
Yes, so some of the friends who are here, I will just request them to say a few words. So first, I think I'll ask Vijay because he has found the time to be here with us. So in case he needs to leave. Vijay, are you
Yes,
still?
yes, yes. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity. First of all, thank you so much for shortlisting my story to come in your book. So I'm
Come
so
on.
grateful. So thanks to Meena ma'am and Shilpa for the Shilpa for the beautiful cover, and Meena ma'am for the overall thing. So thanks so much. And it's a privilege to be amongst the August group of writers. I consider them August group of writers because every week I read their work on Did You Write Today? And that's how I know this wonderful, beautiful people, and their writing is next level. So I'm sure the anthology which we have, it would be at a different level because I've read some stories, and trust me, it's at a different level. So Anamika ma'am, thank you so much and happy birthday to you, to
Thank you,
all
sir. Thank you.
writers, everyone. Thank you so much. I need to log off since I am speaking from the parking lot of an hospital. So I thought I'm so sorry to
Thank you
leave
so
early.
much. Thank you so much for taking out the time, and wish all the best to your family.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Lots of love.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Vijay. Bye.
Bye.
So Prahlad is a member of one of the groups that I am a member of, and it's nice to see him here. And I would request him to say a few words too as a writer on this project. He's joining in from London right now.
Yeah, firstly, wish you a very, very happy birthday, Nanika. I'm sure it's gone up so, and for you to the fruit has come in today in terms of launching the book is, I think it's like icing on the cake and the cherry on the cake. Sort of thing. But I should really say we've been working so closely with her in DYWT and then later on with Lajawab, and she's such a binding force and such a leading force. She is a guiding light because the way she can sort of get everybody on board and take everybody's views into consideration. Even when we did the Lajawab pizza, it was such a fantastic fun. It was more than the thing of writing. It was just the fun of getting it together, putting it together. And I think the same thing replicated on a larger scale with Change Forever. So I'm so thrilled and happy that I'm a part of this.
Monisha, do you want to share your views?
Yeah, just a minute.
So you can mute. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone, and happy birthday, Anamika. I've been really, busy these days. Anamika knows I've been really busy on the domestic front with husband not keeping well. And in fact, I've been not writing for the past 3 weeks. But this occasion I could not miss. And I must really thank you, Anamika, because you've been a true sweetheart. Whatever I send you, seriously. I mean, the way you personally responded, it speaks volumes of your, grit and love for your passion for your work. So the way you responded, cut off, delete these lines or amend these lines. I really was really touched because I don't think so any editor would go to such a personal level to each one of us. And it's not that we are just 8 or 10 of us. So I'm sure this is, you will rock, and this Change Forever will rock. And I'm sure all of us would be changed for the better. And the butterfly looks beautiful. And it is like, the caterpillar has emerged into a butterfly and it's going to spread its colors all around. So I wish all the writers all the very best, hoping to be a part of more such works. God bless everyone.
Thank you, Monisha. That was so sweet. Thank you and all the best to you.
Thank you.
Shilpa, would you want to share that making of the cover? Can we do that?
I think you might need to screen share that, Auntie.
Then we'll request Miss Meena to share the, let her share the screen. Ma'am, is it possible?
I'll do that.
Yeah.
I've done.
Sorry, 1 second. I will try and find that. Sorry, just Auntie, do you have that video that I sent you?
It's on my phone. From there, I have to send it to you?
No, I was just wondering if you would be able to screen share. I just have a couple of tabs open, so I'm just not able to do it right now, unfortunately.
Okay. All right. And let me see. So what do I do? Do I need to send it to you, or I have to go to Zoom and then do?
You can just screen share from your computer. Would you be able to do that?
I'm on the laptop right now and it's on my phone. So how do I do it?
Just, okay, you can just continue. I'll just do this in the meantime.
Okay, okay. All right, we'll continue. Anybody else would like to say a few words? Jacob, Aparna?
Jacob sir, first you. Jacob sir is here?
Yes,
Ladies
he was.
first.
I don't know whether he's still there.
He was. Yeah, he is there, no?
I'm still here, but I don't know whether I'm audible.
There's a lag. There's a lag, Jacob.
I think it's because of the mobile data. So maybe Aparna can continue.
I think Venkat sir is here. Anamika ma'am, Venkat sir would like to say something before me. Venkat sir.
Everyone.
Oh, great.
You can hear me? Can I speak?
Please. You can sing as well.
Okay, okay. Very, very happy birthday to you, Anamika.
Thank you so much.
And a very good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
And I would just like to say a couple of words about Anamika.
No, about the book.
Yeah, I'm coming to that.
Okay.
This is a birthday wish for you.
Thank you so much.
I know Anamika Kundu, and I know anything she can do. So I just wanted to tell this about you. And now coming to the book, I am still pinching myself because I'm still trying to be a writer and a poet. But this is the second opportunity I've got to be a part of such an august company. So I have been pinching myself of late, many a time. So I thank you for the opportunity you have given me. And it is really exciting. And from the soft copies and from whatever you have shared, what I have seen, this is going to be awesome. No, as a well-baked cake, as good as a well-baked cake with the best icing.
Thank you, Venkat.
And of course, fabulous ingredients too inside.
Yes.
So I am also looking forward to it more as a reader than as a writer.
Yes.
So all the best for all of us. Thank you very much. And once again, a happy birthday and an awesome year too.
And
a big hi to everybody. Thank you.
Anyone else wants to share? Aparna, are you sharing your views?
Wow. So please pardon me, ma'am. Kuch kam zyada ho gaya to. I'm all jitters and nerves to talk about you. A personality.
Not me. The book.
No. But first you. Without you, for me, this book wouldn't have happened. You are the channel who has brought me here, who gave me the confidence to write and, so that I could submit something that would be worth publishing. So to that beautiful lady and a wonderful personality, wish you a very, very happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you, Aparna. Thank you.
extending my deepest gratitude to Miss Meena Mishra and Impish Last Publication for giving us an opportunity to write and see every author, every writer. There's a journey from writer to becoming a published author. So you have made it so easy for us, Meena ma'am, that with few words and with few thoughts, you have turned us into a published author. You can't, I'm not able to just tell you how prolific it feels to have your name in the print form of a soft cover of a book, actually, and with those 65 authors who are doing just amazing jobs. So thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. The cover, I would say, Shilpa, you are a budding butterfly yourself, and I wish all the beautiful colors of life to you too. You may never see the black and gray. May you always see the brightest of the rainbow colors that you have put up on our book. So with that, I would like to
Thank you, Aparna. That was so
Very sweet,
beautiful.
very sweet.
Very beautiful. And I think Shilpa is ready with how
Yeah,
she.
I'll just screenshot. Just give me 1 second, please. Can you guys see?
Yes, yes.
Brilliant.
Well.
So this was just the cover that was, oh no, where did it go? Damn. Are you still able to see my screen?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
we can. Yes, we
Oh,
can.
brilliant. There you go. So this is just, it was hand done, just done on Procreate. So I first did it by hand and then I digitized it. So that was just, the background is just the one that I did by hand. And then this was just kind of doing a lot of stippling. So each thing is like a little dot for the snake. So that's what you're seeing there. Auntie was just really, she knew exactly what she wanted. She wanted something bright. She knew what her book was about. She's always been so inspirational. And I just had to show it in some way or another through the book. And yeah, that's what we were trying to do.
It's beautiful, and it's represented us so well, from caterpillar straight to a butterfly flying out with the book. It's
Thank you very
fantastic,
much.
fantastic.
Thanks.
And that python in the background is giving the kind of feel of a lot of ambiguity about what the book will carry, the shades of positive and negative. Thank you so much, Shilpa.
Beautiful work done, Shilpa. Beautiful. For the
Very much.
first time, I saw how designing is done. First you do it with the hand, and then you digitalized it, and all those things. Beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, it was all Auntie's ideas of she knew exactly what she wanted. She knew what color she wanted. I just executed a vision. That's it.
He added the details which just lifted it up. So thank you, Shilpa. It's beautiful. And there are some more of the writers who are first time being published. So if they would like to speak, Shirley, Hema.
No, Hema has got published many a times. But she can speak.
I've done about 8 anthologies now.
Okay, not Hema. My mistake. Shirley.
No, but she can speak if she wants to speak.
No,
of course. We would love to hear her.
I like the way you prompted me and motivated sort of to hurry up, because I don't normally rush into things. I'm basically a mathematics teacher, and I had to become a literature language writer through
Yes.
me. She's the one who motivated me.
How lovely.
Oh, you can write. I said, no, I've been only dealing with numbers till now. How can I go to words suddenly and sentences? She said, no, you start writing. And then it's just been 1 year since I started writing, actually speaking. And Mom's the Word of the first anthology.
Abhinandan is here.
Abhinandan was the
first editor.
Yeah. And I don't feel like calling me sir or madam, because most of them are younger to me, actually speaking. Meena must be really my son-in-law's age. So I can't call anybody madam or sir. I'm sorry. Anyway,
that's
but
lovely.
From a total science and maths teacher to a language, a writer. Sort
Published
of
writer.
Published writer, yeah. I write poems. and I make personalized cards for my family, and all of them get carried away with it. And now they say you go and join Archie's. I'll take you. So anyway, that's all due to the ILPS team. Everybody, I owe it to all of you, all my editors, and who
Wish you all the best.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and happy birthday, Anamika.
Thank you so much.
Great guide.
Thank you so much. Anyone else would like to say a few words?
Yes, Anamika, I will say something.
Yes, Shirley, I was waiting for you.
Yes. So first of all, happy birthday to you. And
thank you.
I must tell you that this meeting with your group, I mean the Impish Lass group, as well as your individual anthologies, is something like a dream come true for me. Because I love writing, but I never dare to publish because I don't know how good it is and whatever. But you people are just giving us such a free hand, and you're allowing us to float and flow, and so I'm really grateful for this, and I'm so inspired by reading the others that I'm sure it will elevate my writing skills too. So I must thank, and it's a beautiful experience at this stage in my life to have met all of you. So I really am grateful to all of you and to the universe for giving me this chance.
Thank you, Shirley. Those are such lovely, kind words. And of course, you will only become better and better. And with each that you contribute to. And maybe at the after a few books, you will be publishing your own, going solo. Right, Meena?
Yes. All of you are welcome, please.
I was just thinking that Meena shouldn't get this thought in her mind. Let me have some experience,
I want all my contributing writers turning into published authors now.
Oh my God, but
yeah.
Meena,
and a dear friend of mine, my childhood friend is here, Amrita. He knows me since I was in school. So if she would like to say a few words, Amrita Kulkarni, she's here. If she will say a few words. Amrita, are you there? Amrita Kulkarni. She was here. I saw her.
Hi, Lucky.
Hi, will you say a few words, Amrita?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I feel so proud looking at you like this.
We were in
growing
school
and
together.
blossoming every day. Even so, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So it's nice to see you here to encourage us. And of course, she's always read all my works, bought my books, whichever have been published, including the La Jawab Pizza. And now you have one more to read and review.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for including me in your community.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Meena, she's also a teacher. She's lived half a life in England, then another half in Kuala Lumpur, and now finally she's returned back to India. I'm trying to coax her into writing. I hope that one day she will put her thoughts on paper too. And
is she an English teacher?
No,
not in English. She's bio. No. The bio teacher.
I'm more into cooking now rather than writing.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Anyone else who's being published for the first time or would like to? Suja?
Yeah. Very happy birthday to you, ma'am. And
thank you so much, Suja.
This book, Changed Forever, is a dream come true for me, actually. My journey into writing has just started off the lockdown last year, sometime in July, after I joined the Did You Write Today group. And like everybody said, I was like, who will read? I was always thinking, who will read my words? And the appreciation and the feedback that I got there motivated. And today, and no better mentor than Anamika ma'am, I should say, for my first book. And Meena Mishra ma'am, it was such lovely, the gentle prodding, the feedback and the WhatsApp immediate edits, and it was fantastic. The whole process has been so smooth that I never thought publishing a book would be like this. I think it's mainly because of the team that you have, the fabulous team.
I have a fabulous team of editors. Yes, that's true.
Yes. And the cover is just awesome. You know, it's out of the world.
Thank you.
And-
Thank you so much.
And like Aparna said, to see the name, this is my first time. So the first time I saw my name in that first page, the index with the, you know, I had literally had tears in my eyes, and I'm sure I'll be having tears of joy when I hold the book.
Oh yes, of course, of course. I'm so happy to hear that.
Wonderful, wonderful. And like I told ma'am, I've just relocated to Bangalore and we've shifted. So I had my doubts
you
whether
did?
Yeah, I did. So I was telling ma'am, I want this to be the first post or the courier I receive in the new house, and it's going to come true. I just shifted yesterday.
Oh, great. All the best.
Thank you
All
so
the
much, ma'am, for being a great part of this journey, and no wonderful team than this, I'm sure.
Thank you, Suja. Such lovely words.